So once you've worked out and got your head wrapped around which colour you are, and don't forget, we are a blend of all the colours. We just will always come back to one way of functioning, our preferred way of functioning. So for example, if you're an orange, if you're in a crisis or feeling under the pump or feeling a bit out of sorts, you will always revert back to how an orange person reacts and performs in that particular circumstance. So once you've had a look through and you've got your head around it and you go, yeah, God, that's so me, which is what I hear from everybody, you get into the colour groups and you sit down and you go, oh, these are so my people. And you can understand why you like to work with those people because they're actually very similar to you. So when you're in your little colour groups and you're chatting about what it's like to be green, blue, orange or gold, I get you to do a little activity because then you'll tell everybody else in the room what it's like to be your colour. You want everyone in your team to know about your colour and how to get the best out of you. That's what makes a team perform well. So once everyone's had an opportunity to explain what it's like to be green, blue, gold or orange, everyone else in the team has the opportunity to ask questions. And then we have a look at, well, okay, where does conflict arise? There can be tension between different colours, opposite colours. So we go through that and we brainstorm some suggestions around how to get the best out of people when we're feeling a bit compromised or in conflict. That's the end of the first workshop though. There's so much more, but that's enough for people for one day because a lot of the time people have never heard of personality profiling or behavioural tools, and it's a lot for them to get their head around. So we leave it there for the first workshop. I'm Jenny from Jenny Gleeson Coaching and Consulting. That in a nutshell is what the Personality Dimensions Building Blocks workshop is all about. It goes for about 3 to 4 hours. It's great for your team, it gets people thinking. If you'd like to know more, you can sign up for my mailing list or you can click on the link below.